What's going on? In this video, I'm going to share with you how you as an accounting firm owner or an accountant can optimize your website to help convert website visitors into customers. As business owners, you're very busy, you don't have a lot of time. So I'm going to make sure this video is short, simple, and to the point to show you how this process works, how you can convert people from visitors into customers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen. Okay, let me share my screen here. Okay, so if somebody goes on Google, let's say they type in Orlando accountant or whatever city there is, accountant near me, most of the time they're going to come here. They're going to look at all the different accountants in the area. So in order to make sure that your profile is optimized, first thing that you want to do is make sure that your Google profile is optimized, Google business profile. So if you come here, okay, wait, I think I accidentally clicked on it. Let me just click on this right here. First thing that you want to do is make sure that the title of your business is accurate, and then exactly what you do. Certified public accountant in the Conway, Florida. So the title is very important. Also, some things you might want to include are images of your location, maybe an image of you working to help bring personality, make it more friendly to the potential customer. So those are some things you might want to include. Picture of yourself, picture of where you work, your address, phone number, hours. These are all very important things that you want to add. And then, of course, link to your website. Now, remember, there's a lot of, look at this one alone. 10 pages, there's what, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 20 times, there's 200 results just in this alone. So you don't have a lot of time to capture the person's attention. So you want to make sure that you do everything right as much as possible to help capture their attention. Let's say that somebody comes to your Google business profile, they click on your website. Now what's the next step? Now you got them to the website. You want to make sure that it's optimized. I picked the website that they're doing a very good job. First, they have here their phone number and then an email to easily reach out. All I want to do is, okay, I see here they filed taxes, 31 years. This looks like something I need. Click this, call now. I can immediately call and reach out. If I want to send an email, I can click there and immediately send an email. You want to make it as easy as possible for people to reach out to you as a business owner without them having to go through, okay, where's the contact button? Do I need to scroll down to the page to find? No. Call now, email, quick as possible without me even having to scroll to reach out to you as quickly as possible. Very important. One other thing that you could also consider adding is a chat bot, especially if you're busy at the moment. Customers can contact you through a chat bot and then you can respond back to them as quickly as possible. It's even quicker than an email because it comes in a message format. You click this, you see here, type something in there, it'll go to them. They have it on their phone, it'll go back to you, and you can communicate with them like that. One other important thing you want to keep in mind as an accounting firm owner is that personality factor, making people know who is the person behind this business. You see here they have an image of the person who is the owner of the business. So now, if I've never heard of this business before, I already feel more comfortable because I already know who I'm going to be working with. I already have an idea in my mind of who I'm going to be working with. So now my nerves are a little more calmed. This might be also something to consider adding, is to make it more personal, a picture of yourself or a video. Also, is it clear about what you do? See, we can help you with boom, 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 boom. Make it as clear as possible on the homepage what exactly you do. This will allow people to see whether you are the right fit for them or not. Make it clear as possible what you do. Once again, see a video here, and then he probably goes and do describing his business here. But this is also a smart aspect that you can do. I do the same thing on my website. If I come here, I have a start here where I also have a video here describing some of the things I do. But this is also something useful. It doesn't take too long. You can record a quick video describing what you do, how you can help people. Very smart idea here. Testimonials. So the whole way they structure the website is also very important. And also one thing that you might want to include at the bottom is a form. Let's say they get through here, they read the testimonials and they say, okay, other people have said that this is a good fit, so let me reach out. But you notice here that there's no contact us. So after the testimonies, I put another button here like ready to get started, or another way for me to get in contact with that specific business. So after the testimonial, I put a button here, ready to reach out, ready to learn more here, and then a way to reach out. But overall, this is a very good structure, very clean of how you want to structure your website to be able to convert website visitors to customers, showing them who you are a little bit behind the scenes, what you do, how you can help them, make it easy as possible, call now, email for them to reach out to you. So I hope this video was helpful to accounting firm owners, accountants who own firms, about how you can structure your website. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. There's two ways you can reach out. Either you can book a call with me if you have any questions or you want to discuss, or you can feel free to send me an email. All the links, everything will be in the description below if you're ready to get started, if you have any questions. Once again, I hope this video was helpful, and please feel free to reach out if you have any questions.